The purpose of this video is for you to know how to write a formula. You need to know the charges of the ions that are involved and make sure they make a neutral compound. The one on the board, it's sodium and chlorine. You see, sodium is in group 1, it has a +1 charge. Chlorine is in group 17, it has a -1 charge. Together you only need one of each, so the formula is NaCl. And on the right you'll see I played the wrong chord, but on the right it says NaCl2. It's neutral, but it needs to be in the lowest terms. I really wish we knew what tomorrow's call would be to lay a blizzard down. Another example would be, we're trying to predict the formula from oxidation states or the charges. You're going to use page 210 and 205, and I got them backwards in the textbook. Let's say I wanted to write the formula between copper and nitrate. I look it up. Copper is +2, and nitrate is NO3, and it's got a charge of -1. So I found my charges. The next thing is to make it neutral. Easiest thing is to just swap this charges to make the subscripts. Like that. So my formula would be Cu parentheses NO3 parentheses 2. Okay, one more example. Magnesium and oxygen. I look at the periodic table, I see oxygen's in group 16, so it's -2. And magnesium is in group 2, so its charge is +2. And then what's the simplest, what's the formula? If I swap the charges like this, I get Mg2O2. But you want these to be in their simplest terms or simplest ratio, so I would divide it by 2, and I would just get MgO.